This video explains the setup of Solid Edge. In order for you to get the same settings as the one given by the YouTube tutorial, you need to actually follow this video to configure your system. So as you can see the command at the right place as the YouTube. Once you first start Solid Edge, you will see a screen like this. In this screen, you choose Balanced, and you click on OK. If it is not your first time to open the Solid Edge, you would not have the previous screen which allows you to select balanced settings. If you had files opened before, you would have the recent files appears here, and you may have recent folders appears here. But no matter whether you have something here or it's a blank, to set up the Solid Edge, you always go to click on this application button. In this window, you may have some items like here, or you may have less or more. It doesn't affect you to reset your system by click on this triangle. Once you click on that one, then you click on this Customize to set up your system. So click that one, a new window pop up like this. First thing is to check whether the theme has been set up as the balanced. It could be first steps, second steps, etc. But make sure the balanced setting is selected. Then we can move down to check whether these checkboxes are all checked and whether the bullet point appears the same as this one. The next is under this line, you need to actually select this bullet point ordered and move down to check the checkbox and the contents. Right, make sure this box is empty, this box are checked. If they are not empty, you just check the box, it becomes empty. Then move down again, make sure they are the same. Here, we need to click on this, create a new 2D window. Right, then move down to here, we need to click on this show horizontal scroll bar. Right, so that is the setting. It need to be same so as we can actually have the same settings when you actually watch the YouTube tutorial. Now you can click on save. Right, then you can click on close. The setting is done, but the setting hasn't been saved until you click on close and close the program completely. Once you've done that, the next is to open again. The settings are saved now. That's it for this video.